Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez, Pyrmont, Sydney. I'm a Stampin' Up independent demonstrator, and I've got two boxes. I've been away for a few days, and I ordered before I went away, and they've been sitting there waiting for me, so it's like Christmas. So I've ordered some things for my workshop coming up in June. If you're ordering with me through June, there's my host code. And I just close the host codes after 30 days, so it might be before the end of the month, but always look for the new host code on one of my posts, or in my Stampin' Up website. I always put the new host code in the special section, and also on my blog. If you go to the Stampin' Up page, or down the side if you're looking on the browser, you'll see things down the side of the page. Now just keep in mind, today and tomorrow Stampin' Up are updating their website. They're combining their demonstrator and customer websites, so that's very exciting, but it means things might be a bit glitchy tonight or tomorrow, so I advise not to put your order in tonight. Wait till tomorrow night, and wait till it's all up and running properly. Just check with me if you've got any problems, and yeah, that'll be so exciting once that gets happening. So let's get into my box. So welcome if you're joining me. I love opening my boxes live so that you can see what's inside them. I've got a few new things in here and a few stock items that I need to collect for things. Ooh, look at that. Look at that on the top there. Oh, this is that gorgeous delightfully eclectic. Isn't that lovely? Let's get into that. So this is one of the designer series papers that's on sale at the moment. In June they've got 15% off certain papers. Just have that a run down there. I've got to open this anyway because this is part of my paper share that I missed this one. So I've got it now while it was on sale. So if you're looking for crafting products and you don't have a demonstrator already, I'd love to be your demonstrator. And there's also a fantastic join offer in June to join Stampin' Up, and just check out the website for that one. You get extra, I think it's $283 instead of $235 worth of products that you get to choose yourself to put in your starter kit. So this designer series paper has a lot more in it than normal. Sometimes they put a big pack out like this, and it's just got all sorts of different things. So they're all double-sided. It's quite a matte feel to it. Although some of it, oh, that's the back page. I thought that feels shiny. No, I'm a very tactile girl, so I feel the shine on that. That's the back page. So it's very matte, the paper, but they've got so many different designs and colours. So you've got quite a few. I think it's 4 sheets of each one. That's pretty, isn't it? 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 sheets of each design. Look, they look like pretzels. So you could use these with anything. Oh, look, there's letters you could cut up to make words on your cards. Oh, hi, Athena. Hi, Sharon. Welcome. Oh, you haven't seen these ones? Well, yeah, these are the ones that I missed putting in my paper share. Oh, look, there's some little pink hearts coloured in already. So the people that bought my paper share will get their share soon. Oh, look at that one. Looks like ledger paper. So I'm a bit close. I've got another box under this box. We've got 2 boxes to open. I'll try and be quick. But I like to show you what's in them. And that's cool. And then this one. Oh, look. Daisies. Fantastic. My next online Zoom class is daisies, and I'll be putting something up about that this week. And you might have noticed my posts. I did a daisy post thing. I've got a daisy thing going. Things I painted. Oh, they're lovely. Yeah, oh, that's got more of that on the back. Oh, wow, look at that. That reminds me. My dad was an accountant. It reminds me of him doing his ledgers. That's lovely. Oh, this very pretty paper. Oh, look at that one. That's similar to those masks I used the other night. You could team it up with those. Oh, wow. Oh, strawberries. I hadn't had a really good look. Oh, look, you could put that with the geometric shapes, the embossing folders. Look, it's right here on my desk from last week. Woohoo! Look at that. You could team that up. Oh, wow. We've got some, that looks like crushed curry. Little flowers. Oh, that's got a lovely flower, big flowers. So you could mix those together, look. And you've got some black and white on the back, which you could colour in if you want to. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, that's really nice. Right, that's the first one. Let's pop that over there. And then this one, I just bought this because I love it. Masterfully made. I have opened one of those before, and which I've shown you before in another unboxing. So if you want to see that again, just go back to my other unboxing. I won't open that one now. Get rid of some air. Oh, maybe we can just leave the air there. That won't matter, will it? Now, the people that are doing my June class get half a packet of these in there. So my half day, you get half a pack of one of those, and you also get half a packet of the jute. So those people have already booked in, and we're getting organised for that. So that's pretty cool. I've just got to work out how I'm going to divvy that up. There's another couple of little packets there. So they're the new ink colours. I've bought the card stock, so I've got a packet. I did buy the mixed pack to start with, but you might have to get it. Yeah, it's like that, isn't it? When you show stuff, it's great. I love it. So that's Pebbled Path. Like I said, I bought the mixed pack before. Let me see, I've got one sitting here on the desk. So you can buy it in a pack with all the colours in it, or you can buy them individually as that. So because I'm doing a class, I wanted to get the individual ones, and I usually do get them because I do a lot of classes. Adhesive backed sequins trio. I just got them because I think they go with the Masterfully Made. Yeah, they're really nice. Look at those. I love sequins like that. They're so pretty. Right, what else is in here? Oh, some daubers, because we all need daubers. Hang on, my focus has gone out. So you can buy little packs of 5 daubers, and then I keep them in a box. There's my box. Let's see if I've got room in the box. I might have to get rid of some daubers out of here because they're falling apart. A couple of them are disintegrating. That's why I needed new ones. So I keep them in these little boxes, and I do sell these little boxes as well. They're not Stampin' Up things, but I do have some in stock. See, they're disintegrating on the top, so I need to get rid of a couple. That one looks a bit funny too. So that's how I store mine. It holds 40, which is really handy. So just message me if you're interested in it. And the sheer ribbon combo pack, again, because it's gorgeous, and I wanted to see it up close and play with it. That's what they look like. I didn't realise they had those little dots, the silver on them. That's pretty cool. Now that'll go really nice with those bright, the balloon one I just did for my class. There's that one. That'll go really nice with that. Look. Look at that. With that paper. That's the bright and beautiful. That's lovely. Put that down there. And I got some of this ribbon because I didn't have any yet. Copper clay. So that's really pretty too. Actually, we should open that. Hey, why not? Just pull that off. There we go. That looks like that. This is really nice. I've got some other colours in this, and it's really lovely textured ribbon. Right, is that all that's in that box? Yep. Let's get the other one out. I thought I could do 2 unboxings. Or just keep going. Do the next one. Next one. What's your favourite so far? Anyone got a favourite out of that box? Actually, I might get that other paper out that I already opened before I get into this box. In case you didn't see that other one. The Masterfully Made one. Let me just grab it. My things. Where is it? Yes, the Masterfully Made. Oh, the copper clay ribbon. Yeah, it is gorgeous. So this is the other paper that I got out of the box. So I bought some of the paper share for myself and kept some. So they are really pretty papers. And they are in my other unboxing, but I'll just quickly show you again. because there's some in here. Beautiful. So this is a sweet collection you can buy with all the bits in it, or you can buy them all individually. See, it looks like they're layered. They're beautiful. Got writing on them. Look at that one. You could do a scrapbook page with that, or with that. And it looks like they're already layered. Isn't it pretty? Just beautiful. Okay, that's that. Let's get into this. Oh, you ordered sweet for that one. Oh, Sharon's got the last. What is it? The 3-pack of ribbon. Oh, wow, lovely. And we've all got similar taste then. Had a lovely time away, and I've got some beautiful photos along the way, which I've shared some of already. This one was from from a workshop order that I had, so I finished it off and a few things for me. Well, not for me, for my classes, for me, for you, for everybody who's doing my classes. Got a lemon lolly refill because I didn't have one yet. So you can buy the little re-inkers. I haven't even got an ink pad yet for that, but I'll get one eventually. I'll just get that because I had that much to spend after all this. So if you have a workshop, I give you a workshop host code. I do the host code for myself. As you know, I've got my host code every month, and I put my sales onto that and any other sales I get. And then at the end of the month, I can get some extra things to give back to my customers. And these are specifically to make special cards for someone. And I sell my cards as well, so some of these will be for sale, those cards. Beautiful set, and you can do so much with this one. And in the catalogue there, it just looks so nice together. Where's my catalogue? Oh no, I haven't brought my catalogue in. It's out in the other room. I took it away with me, of course, to have it handy. So this is the Wonderful Thoughts dies. I'll show you that. That goes with those stamps. So because my workshop order was over $7.50, I could get something for half price. So if you have a group of friends over on Zoom, I can do it on Zoom, and you get sales over $7.50, you can get something for half price, which is always nice. So I got this bundle. So this one is the words, and this one, it has the dies to cut out the words. I love that idea, because then you don't have to fussy cut them all, which is great. What did Sharon say? The writing is all about Stampin' Up. Oh, and the masterfully made, is it? I didn't notice that. Let me go back. Let me go grab one. Let me have a look. Let's study it. Anyone see that? Demonstrators. Oh, our customers. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, good on you. Product give back, I can see. Oh, isn't that cool? Thanks, Sharon. I didn't know that. The other one like that? Yep, the other one's like that too. Funny how we miss the little bit sometimes, isn't it? It's always something new to learn. Yes, so that's, and it's also got this lovely little motif there to add to things. Oh, and some hearts. It's always nice to have hearts to add to things, isn't it? Oh, I really like the shape of that one. I often do that anyway with things. Oh, look at this little tiny one. Right, so that's those. So I'll have to get on and make some of those. And then I just got the paper, the other card stocks in the in colours as well. Just close that with all my in colours. So now I've got all of them. And so my class in June, that's an in-person class. We're going to be doing things with these and with the jute, and with the bling, and with embossing folders and stuff like that. It's going to be fun. So that's it. That's all my bits. Oh, the bright pieces too. I better go back. Oh, I didn't see them on the bright pieces. Which one's the bright? Oh, you mean this one? Oh, look at that. It has. It's got words in it. Oh. There we go. Yep, I can see them all now. There we go. There. Oh look, New Zealand's got all the different countries. That's interesting. Live and learn something new every day. Cool. Well, thanks for watching and joining me with my unboxing, and I'll be live tomorrow night as usual making something. We might have to use the new ones I just got. Hey, might get these out and have a play. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. I usually decide about half an hour before. So if you want to come join me then and make something, you're welcome. Oh look, here's my catalogue. I left it here after all. I took new catalogues away with me. I was going to look that one up. Hang on, let's just have a quick look at that. So this Wonderful Thoughts one, it's on page 41. Hang on a minute, what did I do then? Let's put that there for a second. Page 41. That's the Wonderful Thoughts. That one. And that's what they've done with it. So they've cut out some other little flowers as well out of something else and put it on there. And then the other one is called Here's to Love. I can't remember what page that's on. I'd have to look that up. Yeah, I feel like it's further back through the book, but I can't remember what page. Let's have a flick. Let's go back to the back. It's quicker that way, isn't it? Index. That's why we have an index. Here's to Love is on page, I thought it was 70 something. I was almost there. 76. See what they've done with it here. We've got that lovely card, and they've used those lovely dies that I've got as well, so I can do that. Oh, I love that one. See, so you can do an outline with one person or two people, or make a whole family out of it. Cool, and that one's on my wish list. Yep, that one's coming. Not yet though. Okie doke, let's go. Go have a cuppa, and I'll see you tomorrow night if you're going to join me, or if you're joining me on YouTube. Thank you. I'll catch you all later. Ciao.